Hello, Mr. and Miss Hibbs. This is Austin at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. I was taking a quick minute to show you all this Explorer you'd expressed some interest in. I wanted to let y'all see what kind of shape it was in, because the pictures don't always quite do a vehicle justice. I like to walk down these body lines and let everybody take a look. The only thing this vehicle really needs is a bath and a new home. The driver's side looks great. This one has the nice 20-inch wheels, and I'll walk around and show you each wheel after I look around the body a little more. Like I said, it just needs a bath and a new home. This vehicle that we got here, it was actually a general manager's wife that had leased this vehicle from a dealership up in, I think it was the Lexington or maybe Cincinnati area. We'll walk down this body line here. I don't see any dings or dents or scratches on either side. You can see some discoloration there just where it needs a bath. The front grille looks good. I'm going to show you each wheel. The tread looks good here. So those were the two driver's side wheels I showed you initially. Here's the front passenger wheel. And the rear passenger wheel. We'll go over here and show you the driver's seat. It's in really good shape. Passenger seat is the same way. Show you in the back here. This one's got the dual panoramic roof. So there's the front roof there, and then the shade cover is closed here, but there's a window there as well. Open this back hatch here for you. Third row seats. Obviously this one's got the power lift gate, so you can open and close it from right there, and the key fob. Back seats look good. And the good news is I don't see any dog hair. Your husband said the last one there was lots of dog hair. So this vehicle looks really good. It's a clean one owner off lease truck that has spent its whole life in Kentucky. So I hope this helps your decision making process. Give us a call if you've got any questions. My name's Austin. Thank you.